Hanggang ngayon, nangungupahan ka pa rin ba? Bakit ka pa mangungupahan kung kayang-kaya mo namang magkabae for as low as 5K reservation fee at one-time 5,000 down payment at miscellaneous fee na payable ng 2 months kaya naman 8K monthly lang. Ang total lang nito ay 26,000. Meron ka ng minimalist rent-to-own property na accessible pa sa Metro Manila. After paying nga ng ating cash out, stop payment muna tayo hanggang sa ma-loan takeout tayo kay Pag-ibig. Yes, tama ang rinig mo, under Pag-ibig financing ito at may monthly amortization lang tayo dito na 10,000 pesos. Kaya naman kung interested ka at sawa ka ng mga upahan, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Minimum lot size natin ay 36 square meters at floor area naman na 42 square meters. Kaya naman may enough space tayo for living, dining at kitchen area. Ang maganda dito ay very minimal lang ang restriction natin pagdating sa home improvement. Provision ito for 2 bedrooms at pwede mo pa itong maipa-expand. Tamang-tama talaga to for residential or rental business. At pwede ka rin maglagay ng